There is nothing I'm trying to figure out in life.
And again,
Yes, mother. Is this going to be an everyday thing?
yeah, maybe.
Okay.
What is one thing you're trying to figure out in life? You're still
One
trying to
thing.
figure out in life.
Yeah, one thing I'm trying to figure out in life. At this point, there is nothing I'm trying to figure out in life. What? What's so funny about it? Just hear my response first.
Okay.
Even though I'm so young, it's kind of questionable. Why am I saying that I have figured out everything in life? Not exactly. It's it's basically just because I trust in the Lord that He has plans for me and that I don't need to think about anything else. Worry does not come from God. Why do I need to think about things that I have to do in the future? What I have to do? When God has said to put all our trust in Him. And when you do, everything will follow. The thing about worrying is that it's needless. It only creates anxiety. Worries. Worries, again, do not come from Him. And when you really put your trust, put everything to our Lord, then you don't have to figure anything out. Things will flow. He will give you what you need. He will give you what you want, as long as it abides by His will. And at this point in my life, I'm in that situation, and I'm glad because when I don't have to worry about anything, I feel like I'm happy. I feel like I'm at peace, and I hope everyone feels this way. That this peace that He gives is something unimaginable. You cannot explain this feeling of peace, but when you do, it's something that you're always longing for. And just know that this peace that you feel, this worryless life that God gives you, is always there. So just choose Him with all your heart. God bless you.
Okay, so are you saying that we don't have to plan for the future? Is that what you mean?
We don't have to, of course we can plan, but we don't have to worry about it so much that we have to pinpoint out the details that are necessary for that plan. Because not everything that you do will ever be enough, and nothing that we as humans, we are we are flawed human beings. Our plans are not made perfect. Only He knows what you need in your life and what He has plans, or what His plans are for you. So there's no need to overthink. There's no need to think about planning so much. Just know that the direction that you want to go to, you can just ask Him and He will show you.
That's a great answer, Kuya. Thank you.